Hello everybody, today we are going to change our brake line. Alright, we got our brake cable here, housing, 300 millimeter length, 5 millimeter thickness is what it fits. I got the Blue Shine bike housing kit off of Amazon. I will put that in the description. Alright, we're going to start out with the back one right here is the reason why it's all frayed. This is the reason why we're changing it. I've had this bike for a year now, so now it's time to change those. I've been regularly changing my brakes regularly every 600. I have a video on that also you guys should check out. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get here right there. Okay, we're going to take that off so we can get the line loose. Alright, I'm going to start on the front one because it's the shortest run, and that way we're going to have enough for the back. Alright, we're going to come up here, we're going to get this, make sure all your screws here are all lined, all the grooves there. That's going to be important. Okay, so first step, untighten down here, and then we're going to get this done. Okay, so we got that one right here unscrewed off. Okay, you don't have to unscrew the whole screw off there. You literally just want to get it enough to where you can get the line out. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut that. We're going to cut that line off. We'll get our wire cutters here. Okay. You're going to cut that. Maybe. There you go. We'll cut those. Alright. And this is going to be easier to pull through. Okay. Alright. Okay. We got it all loose now. Okay. See how you have to have your line up right there so you can pull this out. Like so. It's hard to do it one-handed though. Maybe. There we go. Okay. And then we're just going to pull this out. See? Pull it. See? Just like that. Old one. So there's the old one. Okay. And what we're going to do is, the little cheat codes that I figured out, is that if you take your line, your new one, run it out to the length of the old one, cut it, then that's your length. Easy peasy, yeah? Alright, let's see if that works. Got my new line cut. Okay. I got it already started in there so you can see. And you literally just push it in. It's real easy. You can do it one-handed once you get it started. Alright, and what I suggest is the end that you cut will be the end that it will be the bottom. Okay, I wouldn't use the end that you cut to push it through. Alright. Got the line back in and everything. Running all the way down. Okay. And the next step is going to be putting it back in right there. We're going to wrap it around and cut it to length. We'll leave it long until we get all the way in. Okay, I haven't cut it yet. All right, so I'm getting it wrapped around, put it back in. Gonna pull it through. Adjust this here. All right, and we're back on the other end. Show you how it is and crimp it. All right, so we have everything back in there now. Okay, the brake is good. See, nice, and you don't have to push it all the way back either, like I had to before. And because I ride in the rain and stuff, nice new crimped in. Give a little tug, make sure it don't come off. It's good. Brake's good. New brake line. Yeah, man. The back brake line goes from there to here to here to underneath to in there. In the house right there. Alright? There's only people who are thinking, how am I going to get it in there and get it and put it in there and pull it through? Well, I have a technique that I'm going to show you that I learned from the alarm business. Okay? I'm going to take our old line, take our new line, take some duct tape or any kind of tape. We're going to tape it like this. Okay? Alright? You're going to get it pulled out from there to here. Once you get it there, then you want to make your fishing line. Okay? Alright. Another suggestion is pull the actual brake cable out. As you can see, this brake cable is all frayed. It's frayed really bad. This is why I'm changing them for real, Okay? Alright.